Llegamos. No es tan alto.
This morning I open my eyes, the light flows gently into my soul. Last night's worries I leave behind, today I start a brand new story. A cup of coffee, a quiet smile, like steps on a little street. I hear the birds start to sing, as if they're saying rise and be